Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Yesterday morning, right after I received my grocery delivery, I went to Terminal 21 Pattaya. I got there because I heard that they were having a dinosaur animation, but it turned out that it was just for kids. Anyway, I'll let y'all see what they had. As usual, they always have some type of animation outside, but I wasn't there when it started, so it might have happened at night time after I left. So from the Bali Eye Pier, yesterday I was at Terminal 21 Pattaya. And today I went to BigC Extra and then to the Wat Nong Oo temple. But it all has started after my lunch right there. For the new followers, that's the food court of BigC Extra. And that is what I had. So here we are at the Wat Nong Oo temple. I'll let y'all appreciate the beauty of it. If y'all remember, I saw that elephant in Bangkok, many times bigger than this one. So that was it. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. I hope that y'all appreciate, just like I did, making this content. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.